Hello and welcome to DROIX. In this video we are checking out the EasySMX ESM-9013 game controller. We will be unboxing it, taking a closer look at the gamepad and trying it with a game. Inside you have the game controller, which we will show in more detail in a moment. There's a 2.4G wireless dongle which plugs into the USB port on your device. And finally there is a manual which is in multiple languages including English, German and Italian. There are two colours available, camouflage with a blue trim and a white and black pattern with green trim. On the front are clickable dual analog sticks and a classic D-pad along with 4 gaming buttons. In the middle area there are back, start and home buttons, and just below is a turbo button with LED indicator. On the top are your left and right shoulder and trigger buttons. This model is powered by 2 AA batteries. The battery compartment is located on the back of the controller and can be easily replenished with new batteries. Pressing the home button will switch on the controller and it will connect to the wireless dongle near instantly. The controller can be used on Windows PC, PlayStation 3, Raspberry Pi and Android devices. You can switch between controller modes for these devices by holding the home button for 5 seconds and the LED status will change. You can refer to the manual for each mode and which is best for your device. The turbo button can be set up for turbo functions mapped to one button at a time. Simply hold the button you wish to use and then press the turbo button. If you wish to cancel the turbo, simply press the button and the turbo button again. Like the other EasySMX controllers, they all feel very comfortable to hold. This controller is heavier by around 70 grams than the 9001 model, as it uses AA batteries rather than rechargeable. Battery life is stated at around 20 hours for the 2 AA 1800 mAh batteries. The analog sticks and buttons are very responsive and accurate. The wireless signal works up to 10 meters in a clear line of sight away, and at no time did the signal drop or get a delayed response to input. I can highly recommend this controller. It feels comfortable, has great accuracy and is compatible with a range of devices. You can learn more and buy your EasySMX controller from our store at droix.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe and to keep up to date with our latest videos. Thanks for watching and we hope to see you back in the next one.